Kitchen, altar and powder room cabinet project, Toledo City, Cebu. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share the complete journey of another custom modular cabinet project, located in Toledo City, Cebu. In this video, you'll see the entire process from the initial site measurement and design, all the way to fabrication, installation, and the final turnover. Every successful project starts with careful planning. Before any materials are cut or assembled, we begin by visiting the site to take accurate measurements. We carefully check every wall, corner, ceiling height, window and existing structure to make sure that every cabinet will fit perfectly once installed. Even the smallest measurement can make a big difference in the final result. After completing the site measurement, we return to our office to begin the design process. Using professional 3D design software, we transform the client's ideas into realistic visualizations. This allows the client to clearly see how the finished kitchen, altar cabinet, and powder room cabinet will look before production even begins. During the design stage, we carefully consider functionality, storage requirements, traffic flow, and the overall appearance of the space. Every cabinet is designed not only to look beautiful, but also to make everyday living more comfortable and organized. For this project, we used high-quality PVC foam board as our primary material. PVC foam board has become one of the most popular choices for modern modular cabinetry because it is moisture-resistant, termite-resistant, lightweight, durable, and easy to maintain. These qualities make it especially suitable for kitchens and other areas exposed to humidity. Once the client approves the design, we begin preparing all the materials for fabrication. Every panel is measured once again before cutting to ensure maximum accuracy. Precision during fabrication is essential because every piece must fit together perfectly during installation. After cutting the panels, we proceed with drilling, assembly, edge, finishing and preparing all the hardware. Hinges, drawer slides, connectors, handles and other accessories are carefully selected and checked before delivery to the project site. With everything prepared, it's finally time for installation. The installation process requires patience, precision, and teamwork. Every cabinet is carefully positioned, leveled, and securely mounted. We continuously check the alignment to ensure straight lines, even gaps, and smooth operation of every door and drawer. As the kitchen cabinets take shape, the space begins to transform. What was once an empty area gradually becomes a modern and highly functional kitchen designed specifically for the client's needs. Next, we install the altar cabinet. This special area is designed to create a clean, peaceful, and elegant space for prayer and reflection while complementing the overall interior of the home. We also complete the powder room cabinet, adding practical storage while maintaining a clean and modern appearance. Every detail is carefully finished to ensure both functionality and aesthetics. Throughout the installation, our team carefully adjusts every hinge, aligns every door, and inspects every connection. We believe that quality is found in the details, and taking the time to make these final adjustments ensures a better and longer-lasting result. Once all cabinets have been installed, we thoroughly clean the surfaces and perform a final quality inspection. Every cabinet is checked to ensure the doors open and close smoothly. Drawers operate properly, and all hardware is securely installed. Seeing the completed project is always one of the most rewarding moments. From simple measurements on the first day to a fully completed installation, every stage reflects careful planning, skilled craftsmanship, and dedication to quality. We sincerely thank our client in Toledo City, Cebu, for trusting us with this project. It has been our pleasure to turn your vision into reality. If you're planning to renovate your kitchen or install custom modular cabinets for your home, we hope this video has given you inspiration and a better understanding of the process behind every project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future modular cabinet projects, design ideas, and installation videos. See you in our next project.